Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today we will go to part 2 about how to link data from PLC S7-200 to PLC S7-200 by using the Modbus. So in the previous video, we already learned about how to link data by using the IB0 link to QB0 from IB0 of PLC slave to QB0 of PLC master. Yes, and for today we will go to part 2 that we will link VW1000 from PLC master to VW200 of PLC slave, and we will send VW202 from PLC slave to VW1002 of PLC master. Okay, so let's go. So for master CPU configuration, let's start from this step because all these steps we already learned in the previous video, right? So let's start from this step. Yes, so we need to create one more for Modbus message, this one, and this one. Yes, and we will test like this. Okay, and for the slave CPU we also config. Yes, actually we no need to config anything because we put here VB200. Yes, and then we just online to test also. Okay, so in this section I will use two visual machine for create and test. Yes, so let's go. So first I will open the one visual machine and one more visual machine. Here is the master CPU of visual machine that we will test. Okay, so let's open the master of step 7 microwin. This is a master CPU, right? So we can check the communication. Okay, then we can online to check the existing program. Okay, it passed, so we can online. Yes, let's see here, the communication is okay, no error occur, right? So for the slave CPU we also open for check the communication. This one I use PPI cable and this one I use PC adapter USB A2. Yes, so here USB A2 Profibus, and then we can online compare the program. Okay, that's okay, so we can online with two CPU together. Yes, because we easy to test when we run like this. So I run visual machine 2 visual machine. Yes, okay, so we need to modify the master project only, right? Master CPU project only. So for the logic we need to verify. Yeah, we need to modify. So follow this step. Okay, so first I will reset the M0.0 when we power on. So SM. Okay, I will open the master first and then open this slide. Okay, put this slide here, easy to follow. Okay, so this one we should create the new network. Okay, this one reset, right? When we power on, it will reset M0.0. So power on, first scan, right? So SM0.1. It is the first scan on, yes. If we don't know the step, we can also type SM and then let's check here. SM0.1 on for first scan cycle only, right? Okay. So when the first power on, I will reset. Yes. M0.0, right? So copy and paste. 255, yes, reset all. And for the next step, we will change the logic for this network because the Modbus is work only one by one, right? So let's follow here. So this one I will keep the same, but this one I will modify later. So first we need to put one more, send data VW 1000 from master CPU, right? Master CPU to slave CPU. Okay, so we need to insert one more for profit bus, right? Message. Okay, this one, so drag and drop here, and we need to check from the other network, right? Let's check this one. I will adjust a little bit. Yes, we will follow the slide. Okay, this one, right? So we will continue from the M0.1, right? Okay, M0.1. M0.1, this one, but this one should be here, right? So M0.3 here. When M0.3 finish, it means that this one on. Then I will use the positive contact. Yes, for first, right? For initial. And then this is the slave address, right? So slave address is H, and we would like to write the data, right? So 1, and for the address here, yes, for 0001, right? Okay, so for 0001, yes, and for count we use only 1, yes, and for the address we will start from VB 1000, right? So VB1000. It is the format, right? 1000. And here we can put example 0.3 MB3. Yes. And this one should be M0.0 turn on, right? Okay. And we need to receive the data from the CPU slave also, right? So let me copy here and just change got data. VW 1002 from slave CPU, right? Okay. From slave CPU. So we need to add one more for Modbus message, right? So drag and drop here. And then here we will use the M0.0 also. Yes, follow my slide. Here. And then for this one, the first, right? So first we can use M0.4, right? Here. Can copy and paste. And we need to put the positive edge also, right? So can copy and paste. And for slave address is number 8. Yes. And read write no need, right? Because we got data only. And for the address is 40002. Okay. And for count is 1 also, right? Count here 1 also. Okay, count 1. And then the data is VB, right? 1002. Okay. Sorry, this one. 1002. Okay. And this one I will put M0.5 MB5. Yes. So when MB5 is finished, yes, so M0.5 finished, it will go to start here, right? Okay, so this one I will change to M0.5. Yes, follow my slide. Let's check my slide. Here. Yes. And for this one, I will use the positive edge. Yes, so I will change to positive edge, copy and paste. Yes. So that's all. And then we can compile the program. Okay. Let's check. No error, right? There is no error. So we can save. And then download to the master CPU, right? So during download, I will stop the CPU again. Yes. So this is a master CPU, right? So I will show the master CPU. Okay, we will stop and then download. Yes. And then start again. Yes. It will run because the existing program is run. It is the false signal, right? Okay, no problem. and then we can online. Okay, let's go to the CPU slave. Yes, no need to change anything because we put here VB200. Yes, so we can test the communication by writing the value, right? Okay, so to write the value, let's go to the status chart, and then here we can write VW1000, right? Okay, and we will got VW1002 from the CPU slave, right? So here we can online to check. Okay, right now the value is 0. So here we can do the same procedure. Yeah, go here and then can put like this. Yeah, easy to see the status. Okay, I will put like this, and this is a VW100, right? Sorry, 100. Sorry, 200, VW200. Yes, here. And this one should be VW202, right? Then we can online. So right now the value is 0, right? So when I put here example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, and then write the value for the value and see the status here, we will got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the communication between slave and master CPU is working. So if I would like to force the value from the slave CPU, this slave CPU, example 460, yes, I will 460, and then write here, and let's check here by monitor. We will got 60, yes. I will change this one to 8000, yes, and then force again, and let's check again here. We will got 8000. Okay, so I will change this one to example 7896, yes, and then force, and then let's check the for the signal, and then let's check here. We will got 7896. Okay, so we can communication between CPU to CPU of PLC S7-200 by using Modbus. Yes, it have many benefits if we use like this, because we no need to run many cable from the CPU. We just run only Modbus or profit bus cable, only one, from the master CPU to the slave CPU, so we can control the process. Okay, so this is just example about how to communication between CPU of PLC S7-200 by using the Modbus communication. So thank you very much for watching my video, and if everyone have any question, Please drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I'm also sorry if I have mistake in this video also, because my English is not so good. So in this time I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.